Everybody is looking for a good thriller. The kind of story that keeps you on the edge of your seat, your heart pounding, and your mind racing with possibilities. But what if I told you about a hijacking that actually happened? A real-life event that was more intense and gripping than any fictional story. In December 1999, Indian Airlines flight IC-814 was hijacked by 5 terrorists from Harkatul Mujahideen. This wasn't just any hijacking. It was a meticulously planned operation that shocked the world. Think 7 days of pure tension, multiple countries involved, and a dramatic finale in Taliban-ruled Kandahar, Afghanistan. The stakes were incredibly high, and the world watched with bated breath. That's right, the longest hijacking in Indian aviation history. It was a week that tested the limits of human endurance and international diplomacy. Netflix's new series IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack, dives deep into this harrowing real-life event. The series meticulously reconstructs the events, offering viewers an immersive experience, from the hostages' nightmare to the Indian government's desperate attempts to negotiate. Every moment is captured with heart-wrenching detail. The fear, the uncertainty, and the hope for survival are palpable. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee's administration faced the ultimate test: how to save lives without giving in to terror. The political and moral dilemmas were immense, and the decisions made during those days had far-reaching consequences. The series is based on Captain Devi Sharan's first-hand account, Flight into Fear, giving us an unflinching look at the human cost of this crisis. His narrative provides a unique perspective on the events that unfolded. And guess what? It's directed by none other than Anubhav Sinha, with a stellar cast including Vijay Varma, Nasiruddin Shah, and Pankaj Kapoor. Their performances bring depth and authenticity to the story. Sinha brings this story to life using a mix of archival footage and VFX, blending raw realism with heart-pounding drama. The attention to detail and the commitment to authenticity make this series a standout. Critics are raving about the balanced storytelling and powerful performances. The series has been praised for its ability to convey the emotional and psychological toll of the hijacking. So, if you're a fan of thrillers, this is one series you can't miss. It's not just a show, it's an experience that will leave you thinking long after the credits roll. Ready to relive history? Catch IC-814, The Kandahar Hijack on Netflix now. Dive into a story that is as educational as it is thrilling. Trust me, it's a ride you'll never forget. The series not only entertains but also pays tribute to the resilience and courage of those who lived through this ordeal.